Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see finally gold trading below 2640 level. 2640 was causing a lot of trouble for us because market was repeatedly testing the level, market was bouncing. And if market tests the level too many times, then the level becomes very fragile and it is quite dangerous to take any position. But market was repeatedly taking support around 2640. So yes, we were a little bit confused what to do. Okay, we faced a similar scenario a couple of weeks ago around 2530. You guys must remember that gold was testing 2530 again and again, again and again, again and again. And after a certain point of time, when too much liquidity is built up, okay, it is very dangerous to go for reversals around these levels, whether it's a buy or sell. But finally, market broke the support. Market came to our next support of around 262527 area. Market bounced, but the sell pressure was too high. So our next level around 26140 did not work. It was quite obvious. Okay, market bounced from 2605. This is the main reason I always tell you guys that do not trade blindly. We should never forget that we are trading with our hard-earned money. Okay, so we need a confirmation around these levels. Whenever market tests the level, okay, you should not place orders blindly. At least you should wait for 30 seconds to 40 seconds just to see how does the market behave. If you see the market is showing price ejection from below, market is trying to take support, then only you should go for reversal trades. Suppose market comes to a support level with a big red candle. What do you think? What you should do? Do you think you should go for a buy? Obviously no. Okay, market will give you plenty of trading opportunities. You should not forget it. Okay. Anyways, right now gold is trading around 2621 area. And my dear friends, I'm a simple person, but sadly gold is not simple. Gold is full of complications and I'm forced to make some complicated videos sometimes. And those who know me personally, okay, you must know that I'm not trading this month because we have a festival going on in West Bengal. Okay, Durga Puja. Okay, so we are busy celebrating the festival, and in this market, obviously, I don't want to trade also. So if you're a beginner, new trader, then obviously you should not trade on gold right now. You can look for trading opportunities on other pairs. There are plenty of opportunities on other pairs as well. We love to trade on gold because gold is full of excitement. But if you see that the chart is critical, chart is confusing, then obviously you should not trade on a per chart that you do not understand. So if you're a beginner, new trader, this is not the ideal time to trade on gold right now. And if you're in a very tight spot, you cannot lose any money, then also you should avoid trading on gold. Okay, because we can see that there are lots of lots of possibilities on gold right now. See, usually, if you look at a normal market like Euro USD, GBP USD, you'll just see there are two possibilities. Market will go up or market will go down. But on the chart of gold right now, okay, there are lots of possibilities here that I would like to discuss one by one. Okay, so listen to me carefully. Okay, so that you can understand that why gold is not a good asset to trade right now. This is the weekly chart of gold in front of us, and we have been waiting, or millions of traders around the world are waiting for a trend reversal. But because of the geopolitical tension, gold is not coming for retracement. But we can see that technically market is indicating for a trend reversal again. We can see a hanging man type of a pattern, and now we can see market forming a red candle here. So weekly chart is showing that there is a possibility of a trend reversal. Now if you go to daily chart, we can see the structure of the market is like this. So obviously market is standing here, so market should at least come around to this particular area, which is around 2550. Okay, but if we look at the contracts data here, we can see we have a good number of contracts standing at 2600. So technically from the higher time frame, we are getting indications of a trend reversal or a big correction. That we all know that gold, a big correction is due on gold. But if you look at the contracts data here, then we can see good amount of contracts standing at 2600. So without any strong fundamental reason, there is a very little chance that gold is going below 2600. This may be belongs to the futures market, but we have seen in many instances that this data is really powerful. So higher time frames are indicating something else, and this contracts data is also indicating something else. And if we look at the market sentiment, okay, then we can see mostly the market is waiting for tomorrow's CPI. And today also we have FOMC coming up. And if we look at our beloved hourly time frame, okay, then we can see that here also technically things are changing. In our previous videos also we have discussed about market forming lower highs. Formation of lower highs indicate a downtrend, and market breaking the previous low, market forming lower low, is indicating that market is going for a trend reversal. Okay, here now let's get into the facts. So technicals have given the clear indication that yes, gold, it's time for you to go down. Market is forming lower lows, lower highs, etc., etc. Okay, but the problem is that fundamental. Okay, fundamental. Okay, without any proper fundamental reason, there cannot be a trend reversal. After FOMC, after CPI, if gold starts falling, then it will be a clear-cut correction or clear-cut downtrend. And as a swing trader also, as a day trader, as a position trader also, you can sit on a sell position for a couple of days to couple of weeks. But before CPI, before FOMC, okay, taking a sell position as a swing trader is very risky, because technically things are different and fundamentally also things are different right now, and contracts data is on a different level. So things are not aligned. What I'm trying to say is that. So what are the trading opportunities then? Okay, sorry, okay, if the video is sounding a little complicated. See, as you guys already know, that see, I'm not a complicated person. I do not like to make complicated videos. I always try to keep videos as simple as possible, but when things are complicated, okay, it's not in my hand. For example, okay, today I will also be uploading a video on Euro USD BPSD. You will see that things are very simple. Maybe things are dull, but things are simple. Okay, so what are the trading opportunities then? Okay, the first trading opportunity in front of us are high risk sell gap. Okay, we can look for a high risk sell position around 2634 area and 2642 area as a scalper, but these are high risk. Why? Because if market goes up, you can see we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level here and FIBO 78.6% retracement level here. Around 2634 area, we also have the previous support acting as resistance. And around 2642 area, we have the dynamic resistances coming down. So these are the two levels where we can look for a sell position as a day trader only. If you have the habit of holding positions overnight, then these are not the trades. Okay, because the direction of the market is not clear. After CPI, if we get a direction, that's a different story. We can follow that direction. But at this moment, technically, market may be showing that we are going down, but no, it is not the right time yet. So if we get a sell position around 263442 area, if you see market is showing price rejection from above, you can go for a sell position with proper SL. Your stop loss should be minimum 40 pips. Your TP1 should be 40 pips. If you see the market has higher potential, then you can look for a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. But initially 1:1 is also good enough. Okay. And if market goes down from here, see, technically in this type of market situation, we should always look for a sell position only, but fundamentals are not aligned. Okay, so if market goes down, my dear friend, the next support around 2600 may still work. Keep this in mind that around 26, it may not be exactly or precisely 2600. It can be 2597, 2598 also, but around 2600 we can definitely look for a buy position. And you can see we have the next support around 2593 to 2590. Around this particular area we have FIBO 0.236. We can definitely look for a quick bounce of at least 60 to 80 pips around 269390 area. Okay, when we are considering the overall chart and we are drawing a FIBO here, then we have a support around 2593, but around 2600 is can also work as a support, okay, if the sell volume is not very high. Okay, and now if you have any ongoing buy or sell position, you can continue, but be careful. Okay, suppose if you have a buy position somewhere around here and there is a sudden drop in the market, if you see that gold is going below 2590 with big red candles, it means selling pressure is high. In that case, you need to exit. Okay, and if you already have any ongoing sell position, you must be happy. Finally, okay, sellers are getting a relief right now. But buyers, if you're stuck, then you can exit below 2590. If you're a positional buyer, then obviously you can hold, because gold is always fundamentally bullish. You can make money in the long run. So if you have a swap free account, you are holding buy, okay, you're planning to be on a buy for next couple of months, then obviously you can stay on the buy position. Okay. And if you're a day trader looking for fresh opportunities, then right now we do not have any strong levels, but you can trade on these levels that we have just discussed. But keep this in mind, things are not very reliable right now. I'm sorry for making the video complicated, but I was out of options. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. To be honest, okay, I was planning not to record anything today because I did not want to explain all this stuff. Okay, but again, I thought that okay, you guys love me. Okay,